we'll guide you through how to log out of all devices on Instagram. If this is helpful, then, by all means subscribe and thumb the video up. For you to start, open your Instagram app. Use your profile page, and then next to the top you will find the 3 lines that will open an activity and settings page. Please open your account in the top and click on Account Center. Here, it is necessary to navigate down to the Account Settings tab. In that location, you click on Password and Security. Next, scroll down to the Security check and find the Where you're logged in and tap it. Then you will be able to select the account we're working on, the Instagram user. You will then encounter this device and logins on other devices. Therefore, to carry them out, choose the device to log out drop-down list. One way to specify to the user what you want them to do is by clicking on the desired device, and the same thing can be done by clicking on the option Select All, just above the list there in case there are many. On the bottom, just make the confirmatory decision, press Logout, and your decision can be confirmed. For instance, you can log out from this device as well, by going back and look for a logout under the bottom of the app.